Hi everyone, my name is Kathy and today I'm going to show you how to create this Harry Potter letters pin. We're going to use Autodesk Tinkercad and you can access this software just from your web browser by going to tinkercad.com and making a free account. Here's a look at what we will be making in today's class. I was inspired to make this piece because of Harry Potter. The design only takes 4 minutes to print with a 3D printer. That probably sounds like a lot of time, but compared to larger objects, that's actually really fast. This pin is made of PLA filament and was made by the great team over at KiraKira. You can have your design printed just like this one if you submit it to us. I'll tell you how to do that at the end of this class, but let's get started with creating. How to create the Harry Potter letter pin. We're going to create a new design. To begin, we are going to create an outer ring and the letters will go inside the ring. So click on Geometric. Tinkercad already has this tube made for us. So we'll just drag that over to our work plane and then zoom in. This is 20 millimeters by 20 millimeters, which is a little less than an inch in diameter. And to get the letters, all we have to do is click on letters, this letter category, and you'll see all the letters here. And we're going to choose an H and a P. So obviously you're gonna have to resize these a little bit because when you drag them over to the circle, they go outside the circle. So we're going to click on this arrow up here in the upper left-hand corner so that we can see the design from the top. Click on the P and we're going to make it 7 millimeters wide, and we're going to do the same with the H. Make it 7 millimeters wide. Could either leave it like this, or I prefer to tilt my letters a little bit just to make it a little bit more fun. So click on the letter and then drag this arrow to the negative 22.5 degrees and do the same with the H. Click and drag it 22.5 degrees, and then you can use your arrow keys to move the design. You can actually move it by smaller increments if you change your snap grid to 0.1, which is what I'm going to do so that I can have more control over what this looks like. And I like to have my letters intersect the edge of the circle, but not intersect so much that you can't tell what the letter is. To get a preview of what your pin will look like, select all of these objects and click on Group. And you'll see that it looks pretty good. But if you go to the side view, you'll see that the H and the P are taller than the outer circle. So we're going to select all of these objects, ungroup them, and adjust the height of both these letters. And to do that, we'll click on this white dot in the center of the letter and make it 2 millimeters tall. And then if we go back and group everything together, it should be the right height. All right, that's the end of this design. Hope you enjoyed it and check out some of our other classes. Now that you know how to create this Harry Potter letters pin, you have the skills to make so many other things. Visit KiraKira's website to browse all the other cool designs you can learn to create. Thanks for watching this tutorial and good luck with learning.